two trending stocks. We have GWAV and ELAB. GWAV up 109%. This is Tuesday, the 14th of October, 2025. Intraday high in the session for GWAV, $22.5. Underlying trend is a severely bearish one, but given this strength that is currently going playing out now, we don't exactly know whether it will change by the time the market opens. The key thing here is the extrapolation was seen as of yesterday the 13th, that today the stock was going to be up. And that is what we're looking at right now. That we got a pass, we got a correlation, we got the extrapolation passed for today. Tomorrow it's also saying it's going to remain strong, but we don't know. Then after tomorrow, by Thursday the 16th, it's expected that it's just going to dip on that for that day, and then may resume the uptrend by Friday the 17th. May resume the uptrend from that day and may remain strong up till the end of October. Then we now have a contraction. No guarantee at all that that will be the case. And also, given the fact that the stock has printed a gain of 108%, there's also a chance that this extrapolation, this contraction may not be the case. It may even decide, the extrapolation might even say that by tomorrow we're going to get a contraction. We can't I can't predict what the outcome will be by the time the market opens. So this daily chart is not active at the moment, but the point of us looking at this here is that it pointed out that today we're going to have a strong day for the stock, and that is what is going on right now. We're not really going to read a lot of meaning into the rest of the extrapolation, okay? But we can also take the projections. They are always relevant regardless of whatever the situation is. So we have 21.54, and it has already met that already. Broke through that resistance and pulled back. So that's a pass. And then above that, 27.47, and then above that, 31.13. Previously had projections as high as, let's see what we have here. It had projections as high as, let's see, 33.83, 39.18, 42.49. There's also downward projections. We have to point them out as well. They went as low as 13.97, 15.72, 18.56. So the stock is actually not trading at a huge premium to those projections. But indeed, they even went as low as further down as 6.05, 9.13. Yeah, so we just have to bear all of those in mind. Let's see what's going on the 4-hour chart. Yeah, okay. This is active right now, so we can, talk about the extrapolation. It's saying here it's going to remain strong. Okay, going all the way towards the 20th of October. Then after that, we may begin to contract somewhat. So projections are saying $13.67, which is a discount to current levels. But we have seen projections that's all the way towards $42. We don't need to try to look for the upper projections if they are anywhere or anything like that. Okay, price pressure momentums, the 10 and 21 period moving average are trending robustly. The stock is trading at a huge premium to all of its moving averages on this 4-hour chart, especially the short and intermediate ones. So what we can see here is that the 10 period moving average is accelerating so strongly, and it's being validated by the second derivative indicating, you can see here it's positive here. So to the 21 period moving average, the first derivative is showing that it's accelerating, and that acceleration is going by the derivative, the second derivative. Everything is positive, acceleration going on, and but the derivatives are validating what's going on. So you can clearly see it's clearly moving. It's just they're kicking in more aggression. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, I think it also has a low float or something like that. Yeah. So you can see how the aggression is immense. You can see we can't even see anything. because they're just flashing. This is you can see, yeah, you see how thin the orders are, very tiny, and the market is going up by 120, changing and fluctuating. Aggression, yeah. Okay, so let's see what we have for ELAB. ELAB up 130.52%. Okay. Intraday high $18.83. Also, yeah, as aggression, surely, a gain of 130% definitely is as a result of aggression. But currently, yes, it's still going on. Currently, as we record this, is still going on. Yeah, but the good thing about this is also, we have other passive participants trying to get involved at various prices, and sometimes the others seem to be going through. The others seem to be going through. So yeah, it's aggressive, but however, passive traders are equally available to trade, but they are obviously, unfortunately, on the sidelines. They can't participate that well. They may not be able to participate that well. They may not be able to. Yeah. Okay. So let's see what's going on with ELAB technically. Okay. So extrapolation is saying that strength is going to remain in place up till the 14th, up to midday of today, and then after that we may have a contraction of that expansion. And that's expected to end by the pre-market session or by midday on Friday the 17th. Then the uptrend may resume thereafter. Okay, no guarantee that will be the case. Projections are saying nothing to the upside. 5.78 is a downward projection. We already have intraday high of $18.83. Let's see whether we can see what we have down here. Price pressure momentums, everything is trending robustly. Nothing here is negative. First derivative is confirming that the 10-day moving average is accelerating. Buying pressure is building up. And we can see the second derivative is showing that that acceleration is on high gear. You know, that is also the case on the 21 period moving average. The moving average is buying pressure is accelerating, and the acceleration is, well, in effect, is on top gear right now. You know, yeah. So that's what we're looking at right now. We haven't seen any news, no fresh news. Let's see. Aggression surely is behind this 133% gain. The question is it going on right now? I think it is. You can see, you see all this one slots going through one slot, single slots going through. Yeah, aggression surely playing out. But I can see also it's playing out, but it's not that bad. It's liquid, quite liquid. You can see transactions still going through at higher prices above the current price. So yes, aggression is going on, but liquidity is there because other market participants who want to participate at, different prices are also getting involved. But if it's only people who want to buy at the current prevailing price, then we have aggression, and all the others will be sidelined. Yeah. If it's their orders that are going through, then the others are sidelined, but it doesn't seem to be so. We just saw that some orders were going through. So some orders were going through. This is shifting, but we haven't seen it go through 12.2. Yeah, it seems to have gone. So you can see what I mean. So the current price is 12.05, but some orders are going through at higher prices. So yeah, there's liquidity there. Participation is a lot broader. Yeah, so that's what's going on right now. These two stocks are currently trending. See what you make of them, and just be really careful. ELAB upper projection is 18.83. We haven't seen anything higher. Do we have anything higher for ELAB? Let's look at the 1 minute chart. 18.83. Let's see what we have. 17.7, 18.26, nothing higher there. Let's look at the 3 minute chart. 19.43, 16.60. Yeah, we have some projections here. 23.23, 27.65, 30.38. Yeah. So just see what you make of these stocks, and thank you very much for watching this video.